Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time option and stock alerts with your very own 7-day free trial, where you're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you also have the option to learn while you earn in the live classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day focusing on trader education and making you a more profitable, successful, and consistent trader. So we're going to take a look at the Apple chart here really quick. A couple things that I want to point out. We made a bullish break over this trend line a few weeks ago over here. I liked it long at that point. Right now, I think we are due for possibly a little more consolidation. The line that I'm kind of watching is this downtrend line that we have here going across all the highs, okay? This could be a bull flag right here, okay? And we could break over this line, okay? So in order to like it long, I want to really see a break over this downtrend line, and then I'll definitely like it long to hit at least 125, and maybe we can break over 125 and hit this gap fill up here at about 129 from this candle right here, okay? In the meantime, I'm going to assume that we're possibly heading lower on Apple based off of the 1, 2, 3, 4 days of selling on Apple. So consistent selling, nothing, not any crazy volume coming out of the stock, and not any crazy levels have hit. So it's kind of in the midpoint for me. But if we break the lows of today, I think we can definitely come down and tag at least this middle Bollinger Band and this support down at 116. We might even want to come down here and fill this gap down here, and that gap is at about 114 right here. And that gap fill would coincide with a retouch of this uptrend line. Okay, so I really like Apple for a long. If we can consolidate against this trend line, it would also be, we've got the 50-day moving average right here, this blue line right here, which is pointing up as well. And by the time that Apple comes down to that level, we'll have the 50-day moving average as well as the uptrend line support. Okay. So another thing I want to note is on these last few days, we've got a consolidating volume, okay, and that is bullish, okay, because you want to see expanding volume on the way up. Expanding meaning growing volume, just like we had here, okay. See how it's pointing up, and then on these consolidation days, we have decreasing volume, okay? That's bullish, all right? Unless tomorrow there's a huge selling volume day, then that theory kind of nixes, okay? Another thing I want to note, a reason that I think that we are most likely headed down from here is the RSI, which is starting to curl over as well. Another thing is we've got the MACD histogram making lower highs for the last 4 days. And then we've got stochastics coming up on a level that it kind of needs to hold right there. Otherwise, it's going to break this previous low and head down, back down to the 50 or the 20 level. Okay. So those are the things that I'm looking for on Apple. Definitely like it for a long if it can break over this downtrend line. But until it does that, I think we're going to consolidate lower before possibly heading back up further. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you guys were able to learn a thing or two about technical analysis and about the Apple chart specifically. If you found this video at all helpful, go ahead and give our free trial a look. It's at www.thetradinganalyst.com. 7 days free. You can start tonight and start receiving alerts and making money tomorrow. We'll see you over there.